kotifie one hwe obetina ne maame ne papa so akora timi you tech campus aya obetina ne maame ne papa so tamale tamasco ganasco obetina ne papa nsa esunadin ena so nyansa ena mampeni na adoka say even if you can't give the boy a job, please provide something for the children, for them to be able to know, say, there is hope tomorrow. Future the term when you wake up in the morning and see your life is going, even if it is 10 seconds or 10%, it tells you, say, tomorrow, a china a clean amount. Now, Omampenia creating NAPCO. NAPCO. Say, Bosume Swa. Utifia na wa register di ehwa kachia diska oh yeah customer you don't understand asa aden na hook account
any employment ana
oh
how many years
note your points down note your points down Ali to us
but you send you try na kufo
700 cedis
me tonya me secretaries be or office you try 500. The kaminyamia misum na na meti radio so amekasa yi ejuma konfo bi ho amu yejuma okroma etu amu 300 students bi ho amu ko school amu abin amu office amu je attended the leaks are amu 1,000 go and check it and cross check do this homework for me a lot of secretaries a lot of office amu less than 1,000 cities you don't respect what boosts your economic in your country. You sitting here, you tell me you are a communicator. What are you communicating? Are you deceiving people? You have a gas to say NAPCO Nyejima. Who tells you that NAPCO doesn't play an impact on our economy? What is the economy? Who say we are speaking based on facts and figures. Touchlight, no. Ultimate proof here, but not radio. Touchlight, the difference. Touchlight difference now. Mark Jen who be sao baby sao. Yetihanum and then yes, mebra. One of the experienced person. In fact, I don't want to cry. Now to one make a student for say NAPCO and yeshi. Said opinion semi.
At the end, I say yeah, listen, right? Because TUC.
No, you see, about
TUC raising signal.
Listen to me.
400,000 new entrants.
Yes.
Say your universities be brave.
Are we not listening?
Both the private and public.
What do we
do? Yeah.
Into employment to me and Manco school.
Yes, almost.
Into a TTF into employment to me and war. Me person.
Obiangaza.
Yeah, nabi kasa na oka. Into employment to me and war. And then you more advertise say me and war.
Obiangaza.
And yeah, Mr. So yankasa and you come because yeah, I'm omo here the animal. Omo ye nuanu amudo ko school.
Dia me bi sale say. Nipa ko school.
Na nipa na.
Ba e dia na say ye to katel.
Na ya make sure say ya create some avenue bia say wunya ejima kra, ubenya kakra to give you hope in life tomorrow. That is NAPCO. Why not to planting for food and job.
Yeah.
I kuafo ene ebi mu bedi madanse here. Before we come to power, there's no planting of food and job. We bring planting for food and job to create a job so that it will reduce the unemployment rate. We bring the NAPCO so that the NAPCO will reduce unemployment rate. And then Ministry for Inner City and Zongo Development Fund and the agency. I was Zongo coordinator representing the office of the president. Reflect into the Zongo communities. Why? I tell you why. And I may be a welcome. I can't tell you what me try there. Why my to Rashidia? To me swan. Bind Chanika. Zongo ministry. O catch them say Zongo for benefit. That's NDC. The only children of my life when they say ya kasi ya chikusia. Na zongo for ya chabi amo e omo ya de omo hian se zongo for de omo kubola na omo sere ya ka kusu asam de omo ya ene you don't respect it because you are not a zongo man. You don't know the value of paying the teachers. Zongo Islamic teachers, you don't know. Me yet ya waka se park fe na o sere ene sa park no o kon national chief imam park so be bia o ye ni molidi a de bia o ba ha o ka se nyankopon hira MPP aban. do what is need for the people. Sorry to say, Minka Semensi School. Minka Semensi School is a very legitimate Semensi school.
2020. Yen name to rent him about to Ghana. Yes, I understand you. Man penny him near or kind Semreno. That's all kind. Damn say at that time of Saturn, we were close to elections, and I'm a boy. So can for only electoral purposes, say be for election fortunes, say young to Abamanoa. And community says so best not just as him have view.
They say 88 district hospitals. Agenda 111.
Yes, or man penny car say a fresh no. Or catch and say Yetimia who say 88 districts. Our mem Hanamoa only Ayarabia into Obesi 88. And watching who say you creating another 16 regions. I say only regional hospitals. And watching who say regions need be an hospitals need be one. As I say you peja on Dibremu. And now you can bomb Abedu agenda 111.
At least Mampenny Bakum point 1 to me and you cram yanka so at least or kind no. What you miss us here Baku and I'm you be what me aye. Mammy
Biama, me know me no tea had money. Unim pefe say the one casauto was as obesi dine poa. And one she say no. And I'm on 2 ubetu. Any baby I'll be fans and when ass in the crown. And ya somewhere the form, and I'm a boy. And I'm a one.
And ya buying.
A buying so our challenge. Son say, a buying to me so bad as but as I say an animal dear. Don't mean sorry precope and country and say, men, I'm ya buying. It means yes, as you say for mammy. That be as I want funny the new boo, man and I'm matter and kuna. And nothing out here, a mirror soon ya, all cocoa catties or the self with the mirror soon. The name and Nagua said, Dear Mecan, you know. We will do this, Monsieur be every Yadia about 2 years or Mam Hanamo. The new trading point Yankopon and a better Ghana, Etienne Sufrenaka, Yadia Buffa, so said the Buffa, so a man on Italy, Spain, Yadia, and Cabe Hinakayefa. And to sanity, Yadia. A brasso says it to me be a Yapamemu. And Nintino, the health sector, a woman say me yebi. That's me, yes, I mean, Yanasa, Dachim be Yankasa Embrao, assuming without admitting. The bibi kura esia yetimi aso ano enti ahoboabo a me mayenie enunti na nananom atrankonwafo a won sase wuru anom ye won dia no exercise they should be part of the system enunti na nananom oton safre na nananom ono on board data e kire se nananom consent e wodumadi no ye den obedinum tananado danko akufuado e ma that promise say magana fo nya didi om na on to abama me for second term Ghana for the man say ko be na adwen free so. That was not the case. That was not the case. Nanado danko akufuado na timpon so obeje dwumadie papa bia magana fo a se na timpon woni ho magana fo betimi de nsa se bibi so se papa we enena enam no so agana yenya sa enema we.
They say 88 hospitals na dia ehon saase ni nyina ready.
Na wuti o mampani o yen sentroni ana meboa. Ana ehon documents no so ukuta bi. Me metimi aka kira wo authority ba bia me metimi a witness. Before Abrekuma Central Constituency, Oba Abrekuma Central Constituency, through the able MC Honorable Maria Makale Amoy, Oba Mambruk, Mambruk Park, baby a Masalachi, Kessie and so Mambruk, no. A quan and the cheaper, Oba Kohon, not district hospital, no. You see, I shall see you do Lenton level. Yes, one district, one Abrekuma Central, somewhere central, Mutukana, and I made sure so do Abrekuma Central. Yani Abrekuma South, and a bo she a banana in Udru Mambruk Park, Kessiana at the Honomo. Almost a mosque, Kessia Passo, mosque netino, a point a quantity unten Sasbida Honoma, yes, district municipal hospital, one of the agenda 88, no. What you say?
District hospitals.
Yes, Abrekuma Central. Waiting here to an among the doors of the MC is open. And as one man is waiting here, the can crack or baby American. I could hear could train for any no one by assembly honor be used at home. And yadia, a bina chassis, into 2
and I said all the 88 district hospitals, districts in must be BS.
The American say, the American say. Abana Shasia with the local government system through the municipal assemblies. The met me I can't do what dancers and my witness and say Abrekuma Central. What you say? Abana says a young pass, I see. Nayan Shasia say agenda then Eh